Mason, need a ride home tonight?
No, I think I'll find my own ride home tonight, Tony.